Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Peppa and George learning to swim. In this video, it's all about being brave and learning simple swim skills. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you about swimming. Swimming is like dancing in water. We move our bodies gently, we breathe, and we stay safe with a grown-up nearby. When we learn to swim, we start slow. First, we get our toes wet, then we try tiny steps. It's okay to feel nervous. Even brave swimmers feel wiggly at first. Here are my first swim secrets. Secret 1. Always swim with a grown-up or a lifeguard. Never swim alone. Secret 2. Walk by the pool. No running. Wet feet can be slippery. Secret 3. Start with bubble breaths. Put your mouth to the water and blow like you're making a wish. Bubbles! You can also try a star float. Stretch your arms and legs like a big star. Take a breath, look up, and feel the water hold you. The water is a gentle helper. Now let's imagine a mini story while we draw. Peppa and George are at the pool. George hugs his floaty and whispers, "I'm a little bit scared." When George sees the big blue water, he hides behind Peppa's arm and peeks out like a shy turtle. Peppa smiles and says, "Let's try tiny steps. First, we sit on the edge and splash our toes together. 1, 2, 3, splash!" George giggles. Then Peppa says, "Let's blow bubbles like silly fish." They go glub glub and make funny bubble sounds. You won't believe what George does next. He taps the water and tries 5 gentle kicks. Kick, kick, kick. He looks surprised and says, "I'm floating a little." Peppa cheers. You're doing it. What do you think George would try now? More bubbles or a star float? If you think that's super brave, give this video a big like. Okay, swim friends, time for some fun facts while we keep drawing and coloring. Fun fact 1. Your lungs are like tiny balloons. When you fill them with air, you float better. Take a breath in. Whoosh! Fun fact 2. Water gives you a gentle hug called buoyancy. It lifts you up, which is why floating on your back can feel comfy and calm. But that's not all. Fun fact 3. Some pools can be very long, up to 50 meters. Imagine racing a rubber duck from one end to the other. Fun fact 4. Kicking from your hips helps you move smoother. Wiggle like a happy dolphin. Small, steady kicks. Fun fact 5. Blowing bubbles helps you stay calm. You can hum and make music bubbles. And here are some super helper tips. Wear a life jacket if a grown-up says so, especially near oceans or lakes. Stay where your feet can touch when you're learning. Take breaks. Little swimmers need rest and water. Sunscreen helps protect your skin. Reapply after splashing. Let's check back with Peppa and George. The swim teacher says, "Let's try a noodle float." Peppa holds the noodle like a rainbow. George holds on too. They stick together while the teacher counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. George giggles. "I'm moving," Peppa says. High five splash. A friendly lifeguard waves and says, "Great job." Peppa and George feel proud. They learned the 3 B's. Be safe. Ask a grown-up and listen to the lifeguard. Be slow. Start with bubbles, gentle kicks, and tiny floats. Be supportive. Cheer your swim buddy. Kind words help courage grow. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will make you say, "Wow, we did it!" Our brave swimmers are smiling big. Let's play a quick pretend game. Imagine you're in a shallow pool. The water feels warm. You take a breath and float like a calm star. The water holds you. You blow bubbles. Pop, pop. You kick gently like a dolphin tail. You feel safe. You feel proud. You are learning. Now a quick quiz, friends. What helps you float? Air in your lungs or lots of splashing? Air in your lungs. Should we run by the pool or walk like turtles? Walk like turtles. Who do we swim with? A grown-up or lifeguard? Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Peppa and George learning to swim and learned 3 key lessons. Be safe with a grown-up, start small with bubbles and gentle kicks, and be a kind cheerleader to your swim buddy. If you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends! Bye!